because they have the Senate, the House, and the presidency, they have far more ability to do things like that. I think last time around, President Trump had started by saying for every new regulation, 1 in, 2 out. And I think later he said 1 in, 5 out. I think they're going to do some of that again. I think it will, the banking industry, whether you voted for Trump or Joe Biden, a lot of bankers, they're like dancing in the street because, they've had successive years and years of regulations, a lot of which stymied credit, and so and you could have kept the banks equally safe, but had them do more credit. And so to just give you an example, the average bank in America, I think the number used to have $100 of deposits and $100 of loans, and now it's $100 of deposits and $65 of loans. And if that's what you want, if for some reason the regulators think they're geniuses and that's the best way to run the banking system, so be it. But I think they did a lot of things that ended in that answer, but they didn't know that was going to be the outcome. So, and I think you could talk to any industry, and they'll give you examples of regulation that could be reduced and make it easier for them to do business while keeping the country safe, while keeping the air clean, while making sure the EPA does its job, et cetera. So I applaud them. They should be looking at those things.